We were called to this property after Thames Water reported unusually high water usage. Our goal is to investigate and rule out any leaks inside the flat. The water meter showed water flow, even when no water was in use. We inspected the floor using a moisture meter and thermal imaging camera. No signs of damp or hidden leaks were located. We used an acoustic leak detector on the internal stopcock, and no leak sounds were found. We carried out a pressure test from the stopcock to the water meter. The pressure remained stable, with no signs of leakage. The meter continued to show flow. The readings did not change. The issue appears to be a faulty water meter, which now needs to be replaced. Think you've got a hidden leak? Book your leak detection with MML Plumbing. Which now needs to be replaced. Don't wait.